Hey, it's James Canzanella and welcome to my course, How to Promote Affiliate Offers Without Running Any Paid Ads. Really excited to have you here. However, I'm not big on introductions, so I kind of just want to give you the main point of what's going to be going on. Then after this video, we can hop on the computer and I can show you everything step by step over the shoulder, all right? So the main idea of this, you want to send as much free traffic to a specific page, capture it, and then you can send it off to an affiliate offer. The great part about that is you don't have to have your own product. Doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of experience or even if you're on a shoestring budget, because these are all basically strategies I've used when I first started online and still to this day use very often. So they work, they flat out work, and they work very well, all right? So it doesn't matter your knowledge, like I said, age, experience. You could be a complete newbie, you could be a beginner, intermediate. It's going to be the perfect type of match when it comes to this course, all right? So aside from that, after we do that, I'm going to actually show you another really hot traffic spot. We can basically take everything you did, kind of move it into another area online, and then combine all of that to really explode your profit, so to speak. So I'm really excited about it. I'm glad you're here. I can't wait till you see the inside. But one thing, just promise me, please, before you go, do not make this any more difficult than it has to be, all right? I've sold tons of courses. There's thousands upon thousands of sales with all my courses online. A lot of times people make things too difficult for themselves, all right? What they'll do is they'll go through and they'll say, oh, there's no way it can't be this simple, it can't be this easy. But it really is many times, all right? As you're gonna see once you get in, if you go in and you're like, wow, I thought this was supposed to be harder, all right? That's normal, all right? Making money, creating an income, sending traffic to your affiliate links, all these things don't have to be difficult, all right? The only reason it might be difficult for you is because you're not used to doing it or you haven't had as much success as you wanted to, okay? But we're gonna cover all that. Like I said, it's a very simple course. I'm gonna break everything down for you step by step. And like I said, I'm not big on introductions, so I'm gonna stop rambling now and I'll see you in the next video.